Tired of your Instagram highlights looking blurry or low quality? Here are a few solutions to fix it. 1. Check your internet connection. First, open a web browser on your phone, iPhone or Android, and search for speed test. Run the test and check your internet speed. A stable connection prevents Instagram from compressing your uploads, ensuring your stories and highlights appear clear. 2. Adjust Instagram media quality settings. Next, open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap the 3 lines at the top right corner, scroll down, and find media quality. Here, make sure upload at highest quality is turned on. Also, turn off any option that says use less cellular data. If you see disable HDR media or HDR music, make sure they're also turned off. Your settings should now prioritize the best possible upload quality. 3. Recreate your highlight. Now go back to your profile and tap on New Highlight. Select one of your stories and preview it. The highlight should now appear as sharp as the original story. If it still appears blurry, the story was probably uploaded in low resolution. 4. Adjust camera quality. To prevent that, open your phone's settings and go to the camera section. For videos, choose 4K at 30 frames per second or higher. For photos, tap on Formats and select the highest available resolution. For example, 24 megapixels. This ensures your photos and videos are captured in top quality before uploading to Instagram. Once you've adjusted all these settings, try uploading a new story and adding it to your highlights. This might fix the issue, and that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.